basically, it's a little more general, probably for people that, based on people, the digital nomads living in Bali. So is there any kind of more favorable kind of structures than just being a tax resident here, whereby we would be paying tax in Indonesia, but it is just structured in a way that's more favorable for earning income outside of Indonesia? But yeah, I'm no longer wanting to be a tax resident of Australia, so I'm just trying to figure out my best structure in Indonesia, essentially.
Dicky, this may be one for you. And I believe that in the run-up to the passing of the recent omnibus tax law, there was some belief that when the law passes, that expats in Indonesia will be taxed on their local income only. Is that a misunderstanding? What are your thoughts in relation to the question posed?
Yeah, so actually it's not totally 100% like that. Yeah, the message that on the expatriates only pay income, receive source income from Indonesia. So it's not actually 100% correct. So there's a limitation, several limitation, and the limitation include on the I may say on occupation. So there is only 25 professions that can ask for the benefits of the omnibus law. Only 25 professions, and the time test is only 4 years since you are entering Indonesia. 4 years since you are entering Indonesia. So if you enter Indonesia for the first time in 2006, then this is not applicable, because 2006, then the 4 years will only to until 2009, right? 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's not applicable. So if you have stay long in Indonesia, or you have entered Indonesia before 2020, yeah. So the 25 professions, majority is engineering, chemical. Yeah, so it's a very specific profession that the government think will make transfer of knowledge from expatriates to locals. Other than that, then, like I said, Indonesia adhere to worldwide income. So anything you get from overseas and you stay more than 183 days in Indonesia, then you have to pay tax in Indonesia on your worldwide income.
So in terms of your situation with the ATO, it's either one or the other, and generally speaking, both Australia and Indonesia obviously tax your worldwide income, right? So in terms of something being more tax efficient, given the way the tax laws work, honestly, I don't see it. The way out of it really is to be not tax resident in Australia and not tax resident in Indonesia. But Indonesia and tax efficiency typically don't go hand in hand. Not in the same, you don't get that in the same sentence like you do Singapore and taxes, Malaysia and taxes, Hong Kong and taxes. Indonesia is just one of those jurisdictions that the tax office is pretty aggressive, like Australia. Sorry about that. Does that answer your question, Josh?
Yeah, more or less. Sounds like I'm just screwed. So I guess one other thing, where can I find this list of professions? Is it public?
Please subscribe, like, share, and comment below. Our books and upcoming events are available at htj.tax. Email us at help@htj.tax to engage us, to advise on international tax or business matters.